Hello children, myself Jyoti Nahar from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota.
Today we are going to study Chapter 2 Safety and First Aid.
We should always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, then walk on the right side of the road so that you can see the traffic coming from the front. We should always cross the road at zebra crossing. We should not try to get in or out of a moving vehicle. We should not play or run on the road. We should not put any part of our body out of a moving bus. We might hurt ourselves. On the road, we must be very careful and alert to avoid accident. Now, we will learn about first aid. First aid is the first help given to an injured person. First aid is an emergency care. So, the immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. If a person gets hurt, call an adult immediately. If the injury is serious, you can also call a doctor. We should not crowd around an injured person. Now, we are going to study about first aid tips for cuts or wounds. Wash the cut or wound under running water. Clean the cut or wound gently with an antiseptic lotion. Now, tie a bandage or a clean handkerchief around the wound. For a small cut, use a band-aid. Relax the injured person till an adult or a doctor arrives. We should keep a first aid box at home or while traveling.
Now we are going to do the bookwork, that is second question of the bookwork, which is given on page number 19. Write T for true and F for false statements. We should give immediate help to an injured person. Yes children, this is a true statement because the person who is injured, he needs immediate help. So, always we should be ready for the help. Then the second one, on the road there is no need to be careful. No, this is a false statement because on the road also we need to be careful, otherwise we may get an accident. We may suffer from an accident. We should not crowd around an injured person. Yes, this is a true statement. Let fresh air come so that the injured person feels comfortable. Fourth one, we should not push our friends on swings. Yes, this is a true statement because while we are playing on the swings, we should not push because it may injure the friends. Then the fifth one, we should get out of a moving bus. No, this is a false statement because moving out of the getting out of the moving bus may injure us. We may get injured because let the bus stop first and then we can get down. So, our next exercise is name the following. You have to give two names here in the blank space provided. Any two things you should not play with. You should not play with knife and with blade because these things are sharp and may injure our hands. So, K-N-I-F-E knife, B-L-A-D-E blade. Second one, any one safety rule to be followed in the classroom. So, children, while you are in the classroom, what safety rule should you follow? Do not climb on the benches. You should not climb, you should not jump on the benches because you may get hurt. Then the third one, two things which are used to clean a bleeding wound. If a wound is bleeding, we should use antiseptic or we can use cotton, these are the two things which we should keep in a safe first aid kit. So, A-N-T-I-S-E-P-T-I-C antiseptic, C-O-T-T-O-N cotton.
Thank you.